Well, a lot of factors clearly have gone in as far as this victory is concerned. There's so much to talk about and so much to deduce. And it will take psephologists, experts, journalists a lot of time to do that. But let me go across to our guest joining us, Dhananjay Giri, spokesperson of the BJP with us. I have Nurul Hoda, spokesperson of the VIP party, Pramod Sinha of the RJD, and Himraj Ram, JDU guest also with us. We also have a guest from the Jan Swaraj party.
Rajiv
Ranjan of the Jan Swaraj party. Why don't I begin with you? You have to obviously eat some humble pie as far as these results are concerned.
No humble pie. I mean, I don't treat it as a defeat as such. Everybody knows that it's a party which has recently been launched. And from that point of view, if you really look at it, we have done pretty well in the sense that we have. Let me finish. We have contested all the seats. It was a massive exercise. It is not an easy thing to launch a party, build it up, and be able to contest in all the seats, almost all the seats, barring 3-4 of them. So I think, in my opinion, it's a very good beginning.
Okay, no, I understand that. From a political exercise, it's a beginning. But there were some statements made by Prashant Kishore, including a statement that is today being reminded of, that if JDU wins more than 25 seats, then he'll quit politics.
Well, the build-up of a democratic exercise, especially electoral politics, people do make statements which cannot be taken at its face value. I mean, that's the way it is. Everybody makes statements. You remember what Prashant Kishore said, but every leader makes statements which later on, if you start dissecting them, nobody will stand.
It's the same for all political parties. All right, then Prashant Kishore is like any other politician. Then he also makes statements that no longer can be held true. But let me also go across Dhananjay Giri. Ek statement aur tha, that was Amit Shah's statement. He had said 160 plus, but aaj to almost 200 ka hone wala hai ab.
See, we are thankful to the people who have given landslide victory and some massive mandate people has given, because we work for the people. Yesterday I told you, Mahatma Gandhi told, what you want to say, you should be like that, you look like that, you think like that, you should be like that, and people have to faith like that. You be like that, then you tell them, people will believe you. So Nai Naveli Azabal party came, they are talking much, doing nothing. So people don't have faith on that.
But JDU की RJD की जो हार हुई है, did you expect कि वो मतलब 40 से भी कम पे रह जाएंगे?
There are many factors for that, So Tejasvi Yadav were making mockery of the unemployed youth. He told that I'll give one government job to every household of the Bihar. So people think he's making mockery. So they have made the mind to make him unemployed. That he is going to be towards defeat, a big defeat towards his going. Second thing, there is people knows he cannot combine his family. The brother is going under the hand, the sisters are claiming, and now the party is not run by RJD family. This is a family party, of the family, for the family, and by the family. But now the party is running by Sanjay Yadav. He is from Haryana. So local Yadav become disconnected with him. Okay. So the core voter shifted from him.
So one person who's definitely very well connected as far as the Janta of Bihar is concerned is of course the JDU. आप इस मैंडेट को कैसे देखते हैं? नीतीश कुमार के लिए देखते हैं, आपकी सरकार के लिए देखते हैं, एनडीए के लिए देखते हैं, क्या मैंडेट है
ये बिहार की जनता के विश्वास की जीत है, भरोसे की जीत है, और बिहार की जनता का जो अटूट और विश्वास, भरोसा, जो नमो नीतीश की जोड़ी में, नीतीश कुमार में, जिनकी अगुवाई में बिहार विधानसभा का चुनाव लड़ा गया, उस भरोसे की जीत है। और नीतीश कुमार जी ने जो बिहार के लिए अच्छा काम किया, और काम की बदौलत ही दुनिया के लोग उन्हें ग्लोबल थिंकर और क्लाइमेट लीडर मानते हैं, तो ये उसकी जीत है। और चूंकि नीतीश कुमार जी के कथनी और करनी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये उसकी जीत है।
Okay. लेकिन अब भाजपा की कुछ 8-10 सीट ज्यादा आ गई हैं जेडीयू से, तो आपको लगता है कि क्या हो सकता है कि चीफ मिनिस्टर की पोजीशन पे कुछ दावा भी हो जाए उनकी?
देखिए, एनडीए में सब कुछ साफ सुथरे तरीकों से निपटाया जाता है। ये महागठबंधन वाली बात नहीं है, जो अंदर कुछ और चल रहा है, बाहर कुछ और दिखाया जा रहा है। ये एनडीए गठबंधन में सब कुछ साफ सुथरे तरीकों से, चाहे सीटों के तालमेल को लेकर हो या सरकार बनाने की बात हो, सब कुछ साफ सुथरे तरीकों से तय कर लिए जाते हैं।
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या बीजेपी कुछ दावा करना चाहेगी? अब बिहार में उनका चीफ मिनिस्टर
That,
अभी भी रहा है।
as my brother told, India is intact. We are together. We are like this. We are strengthened, and our leadership is very much clear. That we fought this election in the leadership of Nitish Kumar, and Narendra Modi has given the mantra for democracy, which works like anything, and people has having given us massive mandate. Yesterday I told you, na, the Roberts Frost, the last 4 lines.
Miles to go before I
Boats
see.
are lovely, dark and deep. We have promises to keep. And miles to go, miles and miles to go before you. So the people of Bihar is having faith that what they were saying we will do.
No. So on the issue of faith, it's not as if there were no issues on ground. Clearly, Bihar needs a lot of work and development. But did they trust the NDA to deliver, the Nitish Kumar-led government to deliver? Certainly so. And now there's a lot of pressure on your government. When you come back to power with such mandate, there can be no excuses anymore. But he talked about cohesion, intactness of the NDA. In Mahagathbandhan, it seems there is a problem. From the RJD, I have my guest with us. आप इस रिजल्ट को कैसे एनालाइज करेंगे, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ हार ही नहीं है, ये बहुत करारी हार है आरजेडी की।
देखिए, अभी ये रिजल्ट नहीं आया है। अभी जो दिखलाया जा रहा है वो रुझान ही दिखलाया जा रहा है। अभी रिजल्ट आ जाने दीजिए, उसके बाद हम इस पर बात करेंगे।
अच्छा, तो रुझान है तो वो तो अच्छे नहीं है ना?
नहीं, रुझानों में जो दिखलाया जा रहा है, लेकिन अभी आप देखिए कि कितने राउंड की गिनती हुई है, और जो लगभग 100 से ऐसे सीटें हैं जिन सीटों पर जो है जो मार्जिन जो अभी जो आगे पीछे का जो मार्जिन है वो 1000-2000 का मार्जिन है। तो ये परिवर्तन तो हो सकता है, क्योंकि देखिए आप 2020 के भी
अभी 2 से ऊपर हो गए हैं। मुझे लग रहा है कि आप अभी भी मानने को तैयार नहीं है। मैं मानती हूँ कुछ रिजल्ट ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, लेकिन जो ट्रेंड है वो तो नहीं बदल जाएगा ना।
नहीं, ट्रेंड तो कई बार बदला है ना। 2020 का ही आप देख लीजिए ना। अगर आप देखिएगा कि 20 से अधिक सीटें ऐसी थी जो 1000 के वोटों के ही मार्जिन में हार और जीत का फैसला हुआ।
तो हार जीत तो हो गया था ना।
नहीं, तो वो आप सुनिए ना, तो उसका तो रिजल्ट ये लोग देर रात देने का काम किए थे। 2 बजे के बाद इन्होंने काउंटिंग को बंद करवाने का काम किया था। अभी तो चूंकि रुझान है ना, आप उसको विक्ट्री के रूप में तो नहीं बोल सकते।
नहीं, आप मुझे बताइए कि आपको कोई एनालिसिस अभी नहीं दिख रहा है कि भैया ये इतनी कम सीटें, इतने कम रुझान हमारे क्यों आए हैं? जो वादे तेजस्वी जी ने करे थे, जनता ने उन्हें नहीं एक तरह से स्वीकार किया, उन्हें नहीं लगा कि हो पाएगा या उनसे नहीं हो पाएगा।
नहीं, देखिए, जो हम लोगों ने जनता से वायदा करने का काम किया था और जनता के जन सरोकार के मुद्दों पे ही जनता के बीच जाने का भी काम किया था, और हमको जो इनपुट पहले भी मिला अपने लोगों के माध्यम से, और अभी भी जब हम यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, तो जहाँ जो हमारे पोलिंग पर बैठे हुए लोग हैं, वोटिंग एजेंट जो हैं, तो वहां से भी हमको फीडबैक मिल रहा है। जिस प्रकार का रुझान भले इस प्रकार का दिखाया जा रहा है, लेकिन हमको लगता है कि 5 बजे तक जो है ना स्थिति साफ होगी और हम बेहतर पोजीशन में होंगे।
कांग्रेस के सिर्फ 4 अभी लीड्स एंड विन्स हैं। ओवरऑल इंडिया अलायंस इज ओनली एट 40, आउट ऑफ विच द अदर्स इंक्लूडिंग द लेफ्ट आर डूइंग इवन बेटर देन द कांग्रेस पार्टी। वीआईपी पार्टी इज ऑल्सो विद मी। नूरुल जी, आप मानेंगे अभी भी, आप भी बोलेंगे कि हम रात को 12 बजे तक इंतजार करेंगे?
No, my congratulations to नीतीश कुमार जी, ओवैसी जी, प्रशांत किशोर जी, and this sir, because what you have made this fight multi-cornered. So in multi-cornered fight, obviously Nitish ji is the winner, and again he is an established good governance sign and symbol. So my congratulations to them.
Are you regretting changing sides?
No, we have not changed any side. We have not changed. We till 2000, I think last election, till last assembly election, we are with the Mahagathbandhan, and still we are there. It is not a matter of regret that we have changed side. It is a matter, BJP is a well orchestrated war electioneering machine. They have all the tools in their kit. We are out of power since last more than 20 years. They have SAR, they have 10,000 dole. They have this immediate cash transfer benefit. So, and they have themselves with the Election Commission of India.
Okay. अच्छा, I don't want to go down road, but आपने कोलिशन की बात करी कि आप सब आउट ऑफ पावर हैं, और आप कह रहे हैं कि बीजेपी की इज अ वॉर लाइक मशीन, इलेक्शन मशीन। बट देखिए ना, उनके लीडर आके लड़ते तो हैं। जो कांग्रेस के लीडर हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल राहुल गांधी, वो तो आके लड़े भी नहीं। आप लड़ोगे ही नहीं तो फिर क्या वॉर मशीन बनोगे?
Again, Bihar has chosen caste and past. The vote is a status quo vote. though the
How
number,
is it a status quo vote? Your seats have RJD seats have completely come down.
you are very fine, you are right. Numbers have gone high, but everybody needs, today everybody needs instant coffee, immediate 2-minute chow chow. What Nitish Kumar has promised in the last phase of election campaigning, in between the election campaign, and when the election was announced, what they have offered, whatever was offering from the Mahagathbandhan side, all the pension, all the schemes, they have offered much. They have gone far beyond.
Mahagathbandhan also offered the moon. Let's not forget that.
That was later on. That was later on. Because they are in the government. They are the establishment.
But one thing I disagree with, he is saying that the vote has got bifurcated. If you look at the results, the vote has not got bifurcated. MIM or anybody else has not been able to have that same impact. In fact, Dhananjay ji, even in Simanchal, where MIM had some impact last time around, that impact is not to be seen. What happened? What do you think has happened? Because the vote has completely shifted. Even people are suggesting that even the MY combine of the Mahagathbandhan of RJD, Muslim Yadav combine, वो भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि गिर गया, क्योंकि उसके बिना इस तरह का रिजल्ट नहीं आ सकता.
See, I told you earlier, Yadav started thinking he can't connect his family. The elder brother gone from family. Sisters are already claiming that now the family is not running the show. This is family business. The family is not running the business. The Sanjay Yadav is from Haryana is running the business. And the second thing, the Yadavas are connecting themselves with Krishna, Lord Krishna. So they are making Holi. There is a song, Jamuna Tat Shyam Khele Holi, we used to call. So when Lalu Yadav used to play Holi, the people are with us. Now he started to making the festival Halloween. The Yadavas are close to Krishna. They are not ready to go near to Christ. So they rejected Lalu and company.
आपको लगता है कि इस बार इलेक्शन में एक तरह से कास्ट, जिसको मानते थे कि बिहार पे सिर्फ कास्ट पे ही वोट होता है और राजद का वोट शेयर कहीं नहीं जाएगा, ऐसा लोग मानते थे, बट कुछ तो उसमें अब कुछ हुआ है ना, मतलब लोग शायद कास्ट से ऊपर उठ के अब वोट दे रहे हैं.
देखिए, हमारे नेता आदरणीय तेजस्वी प्रसाद यादव जी ने जिस प्रकार से जनता के जन सरोकार के मुद्दों पर बात करने का काम किया था और पढ़ाई लिखाई, दवाई, कमाई, सिंचाई और सुनवाई और कार्रवाई वाली सरकार देने की बात कही थी, और उसके पहले भी जब 17 माह के कार्यकाल उनका था तो जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने काम करने का काम किया था, तो उसी पर हम लोग जनता के बीच जाने का काम किए थे. और जनता ने तो अपार जन समर्थन हम लोगों को देने का काम किया है. आप देखिए जिस प्रकार से हम लोग जनता के बीच जाते थे, उनका जिस प्रकार से हमारे नेता के साथ संवाद था, जिस प्रकार से वो भीड़ उमड़ती थी. लेकिन ये मैं अभी मैंने कहा ना कि अभी थोड़ा इंतजार करिए.
I sense a little bit of denial right now at what has happened, and I'm not surprised because the results is not what anybody saw. No pollster saw these results that NDA will near 200. ये तो जब 2024 में 400 पार की बातें होती थी, अब की बार किसी ने 200 पार का दावा तक भी नहीं किया था, बीजेपी ने खुद नहीं किया था, and now it is looking like that. But certainly, if you look at the kind of results that we've got, Rajiv ji, don't you think that in some ways the whole stranglehold over vote bank that parties felt they had because of caste identity, do you see that this election could be that turning point where not just youngsters, women of different castes, different religions could have voted away from those markers?
Yeah, basically we felt that these two Gathbandhans are there, but the people of Bihar, they need a third alternative. An alternative which is caste agnostic, which is community agnostic, and talks about basic real issues. Now, what happened this time is that the fear of Jungle Raj took over everything. Then all the other issues became secondary. So even those who were attracted towards the issues which we raised, they wanted to vote for us, but when it came to voting, the fear of Jungle Raj took them away and they voted for NDA.
But they could have voted for Prashant Kishore if they didn't want Jungle Raj. That didn't stop them from voting for you.
That is what needed a leap of faith among them. That they had to have that faith that okay, this alternative can be given some support which will take us away from both the Gathbandhans, but it didn't happen that way.
Well, Jungle Raj was certainly the dominating theme. Many people question why is the BJP only talking about that? Why is the JDU only talking about that? But clearly it was one of those issues both very set in realism, and also emotional issue that was on top of everything else. So everything else was there. Jobs, unemployment was being talked about. Industry in Bihar was being talked about. Caste was being talked about. Mahila was being talked about. Everything was being talked about. But I think above all of that, it seems Jungle Raj has had the final impact. JDU के प्रवक्ता से पूछते हैं, हिम जी आपको क्या लगता है, ये क्या इस बार के इलेक्शन को हम टर्निंग पॉइंट की तरह देख सकते हैं कि जो पार्टीज के स्ट्रक्चर्ड वोट बैंक्स होते थे, अब पार्टीज को उसके आगे सोचना पड़ेगा?
देखिए, हमेशा हमारे नेता ने विकास की बात किया है और विकास करके बताया है, और इसमें कहीं कोई भेदभाव नहीं, कहीं कोई पक्षपात नहीं। पूरे बिहार के लोगों को अपना परिवार समझते हैं और इसीलिए पूरे बिहार के दुख दर्द को समझने का काम करते हैं और गरीबों के आंसू पोंछते हैं, बुजुर्गों का सम्मान करते हैं, महिलाओं के सशक्तिकरण की दिशा में अच्छा काम करते हैं, हर क्षेत्रों में काम करते हैं। इसलिए विश्वास और भरोसा नीतीश कुमार जी के प्रति।
लोग कह रहे हैं कि आपने पैसा देके एक तरह से खरीद लिया वोट, जो 10,000 रुपए दिए हैं।
ये लोग जनता को झांसे देते रहते हैं, जनता के बीच में जाकर झूठ बोलते हैं, लंबी चौड़ी डींग हाँकते हैं, लेकिन नीतीश कुमार जी डींग नहीं हाँकते, बात नहीं बनाते, काम करके दिखाते हैं और योजनाओं का लाभ जनता के द्वार तक पहुंचाने का काम करते हैं। और एक बात मैं बता दूं कि इस चुनाव के रिजल्ट के बाद एक पार्टी के नेता अब राजनीति से संन्यास लेने वाले हैं, जिन्होंने कहा था कि 25 सीट जदयू को आ जाएगी तो हम इस्तीफा करेंगे, संन्यास ले लेंगे। और अब समय आ गया है, अब हम लोग उनके इस्तीफा और संन्यास का इंतजार कर।
इतनी नफरत क्यों है प्रशांत किशोर से?
No, we don't have a hatred of with anybody. We love everybody. Our Prime Minister has given the mantra. In coming time, it will be Maha Mantra of Modi Mantra. सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, सबका प्रयास. Prashant Kishore is also a part of Bihar. He himself told, na, कि if Nitish Kumar party JD will get for 25 seats, I'll take back from politics. I'll take retirement.
I asked him that question. I asked him that question at the beginning, but of course, as he said, all politicians say things. It doesn't mean that they're going to do it. But we have to wait and see.
That time you've given him good answer. It means that there is no difference between Prashant Kishore and
He's like any other politician then. But we'll have to wait and see. What the future of Jan Swaraj Party is going to be is still a question in everybody's mind. Final comment, Nurul ji. इस रिजल्ट से आप
how long he will stay with Tejasvi? How long he will stay with Tejasvi?
मैंने तो ऑलरेडी पूछा, अब रिग्रेट तो नहीं कर रहे हैं क्या? कहीं सानी जी क्या करने वाले हैं?
Before coming to that, my suggestion would be to Mr. Prashant Kishore. Now he would be a best advisor as earlier to the BJP. So, by what brother Giriji has told you, Yadavas regarding, he mentioned a caste particular. I avoid the word using any of the caste. A number of Yadavas has voted for this government. So, they should be respected. The rot of our alliance or whatever has happened, because our mass vote was that 38% or some alliances A to Z and whatever combination. Somehow the shifting has happened. Reason maybe the sir was earlier, it used to be the
सर का कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं रहा है. आप SIR की बात कर रहे हैं, सर SIR की को ना कोई बात कर रहा है.
that will come to the forefront. You just wait for the time. But there was earlier, it used to be in the night, the candidates would be the distributing cash and all. Now it has been distributed in the shape of.
आप मुझे बताइए, क्या आपके लिए लर्निंग क्या है? आपके महागठबंधन के लिए क्या लर्निंग है?
For me, since I represent a society of minority people, so it was a major drawback from the minority community. And minority community, I bring you the 3-4 points. First thing, minority felt deprived of representation in this whole scenario. The point was well taken and raised by Mr. Owaisi. They felt cut off. So obviously they have gone for the worldly needs. Now they do not get into the religious dogmatism. They want
the same things that others want.
Yeah, they all want. We are in a society. We are equal citizen of this country. we also feel कि all the development and all the societal development should be given an equal share to us also.
Okay. So that is, it's a vote for that, but that's a good point that he's making, that just treating Muslims as a separate vote blank, that they'll vote for us or they'll vote for the Mahagathbandhan, we all thought they might. That's not how it's going to work. But is Bihar truly moving on in the way it votes? These results have certainly thrown up those questions, but we will dissect them as we go along. I do thank all of you for joining us. This is still, midday as far as Bihar is concerned. By the time it's evening, there will be more analysis coming in and possibly more insights into what has happened on ground. We'll also continue to get you more voices of the newsmakers and the leaders from all political parties. For now, thanks a lot for watching the Patna special from CNN News 18.